In this video, we will see how to move files to folders on macOS. This video is for MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, iMac and Mini Mac. So if you want to move any file to your folder, there is no option of cut and paste in Mac. So you can just copy and you can paste it here. But then in that way, your item remains there on the original place as it is. For that, you need to do is copy the item that you want to copy, go to the destination folder, and there is an option called option command and V, and then your file will be moved from your original place to your destination folder. There is another way as well that you can do is, for example, if you want to move these two files together, you just need to drag and drop them under the destination folder. If you find the video helpful, please like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.